Hello, Mary Kay friends. My name's Jana. I'm the business channel manager here at Skipio. And I just wanted to share with you a few tips to help you with your holiday season and with gearing up for Pink Weekend and all your sales and promotions that you've got going on. So, if you haven't already downloaded, we do have a holiday gift guide for you. It's our 2021 texting guide, and it will walk you through some of the best tips that we have for messaging that we found has been helpful for success over the years, and a glimpse into the message templates that we've loaded into your accounts specific for the holiday season. So you can go ahead and get that if you have a Scipio account within your Scipio app. And if you do not have a Scipio account, you can either get signed up at mk.scipio.com, or you can also text the word holidays at 385-324-3990, and we'll send you a link as well for you to take a look at that holiday guide and get that sneak peek into those message templates. So I'll show you really quick what that looks like here. But basically, like I said, it's that guide to help you out with your holiday messaging and your promotions, and just some really great tips for getting that success and boosting those sales that you would like to have this time of year. And then, of course, like I said, this message templates, you'll get a sneak peek into those. Okay, so in your Scipio app, you will see that here in the dashboard, and then you can go to that link to the article, which will then send you over to our landing page where you can download it in English or Spanish. And like I said, if you don't have the Scipio account yet, you can always sign up for a trial or plan, or you can also just text us holidays at that number and we'll send you a link to download this. Okay, like I mentioned, we do have some message templates specific to the holidays just for you that have been preloaded into your Scipio account. And when you are in here, just a couple of things to keep in mind. First off, there are some customizations that you'll need to do before you add anybody to the campaign. So this is just the template for it, but you'll want to click on that drop down menu. Make sure your timing is what you want it to be to match your promotion or your campaign. And then also making sure that you've customized everything that you need to do to make it personalized and to make it fit what your message is. So you'll see in the description some calls to attention for those specific things that you need to customize. For example, popular product, you want to fill that part in your message before sending it out. And then, like I mentioned, you can also adjust the timing of your message as well here. And then actually edit the message, add images and whatnot for you to make it more your voice and match the promotions that you're running. So again, we'll just go over here. You'll see here again the promotion customization that you'll need to add in, but this will help you get started at just a really good jumping off point to help you with your campaigns and your messaging out for the holidays and Pink Weekend. Okay, so I mentioned customization a couple of times. So some other things that you'll want to do is go into your profile bubble and just double check here in your messaging, your campaign delivery hours. It's really important. So for example, if I don't want to send any messages on Thanksgiving Day next week, I'll have my Thursday turned off. But if I do want to, if it's really important to send messages on Thanksgiving Day to build up for that excitement for Pink Friday, then I'll want to make sure to turn it on, as well as adjust the hours that I want to make sure my messaging is going out or not going out. So you can toggle if, for example, you want to send messages out earlier or later, you can just adjust the toggle. Maybe I don't want to send anything past 7 on Monday, and then just make sure to click save. And then I mentioned custom fields. If you want to dive a little deeper beyond just merge tags, which is like first name, last name, email, and so forth, you can create additional custom fields that can also be tied into your messaging. We have a lot more tutorials and information specific to custom fields and merge tags. You can check out those articles and videos in your resource center. All right, so as far as the campaign goes, a couple of other things I want to call attention to. Make sure if you're brand new to Scipio that you send an introductory text message first before you start sending out your promotions. So making sure that you let them know it's your business number, who's reaching out to them, encourage them to save that number to their phone so that when they start getting those fun messages from you, building excitement for Pink Friday and the holiday season, they know exactly who is messaging them. Also, make sure to test your messages and test a campaign if you have time. So, sending yourself a quick text message to see what it looks like, getting familiar and comfortable with using your Scipio account, and then also adding yourself to the campaigns and scheduled messages so that you can see what it looks like when it's going out to all of your contacts. As far as responding, when you have a campaign that's successful, you are going to get a lot of responses quickly, and we want to be able to help you out with replying and saving some time for yourself so you can still enjoy your holiday season and your pink weekend. So, in the message inbox, just going to show you really quick. When somebody is sending you a message, then you can go ahead and respond back really quickly by just dropping in a message that was saved in your message library. So if I'm typing a message and I find that I'm saying the same thing over and over again with information that I'm sharing or giving more details about a promotion, then you can go ahead and save that message. So I would just copy that message, or I can type it out and then click on the box with the double square and that pencil icon, click add, and then I can save that message, give it a title, Pink Info, so Pink Friday, and then hit save. And now it's ready to drop straight in to the message library, or sorry, into that texting box so that I can respond quickly from my mobile companion app on my phone or from my desktop version, and then just click send. If you want to adjust it at all, you can do that as well. We do have more information about using the message library in your resource center, but I wanted to call attention to that because that will be a lifesaver so that you can respond really quickly and easily wherever you're at on the go to all of the great response you'll get by sending out those campaigns. Okay, the resource center article is something else that I've mentioned before and referred to. If you are brand new, I highly recommend starting with our Get Started guide. It'll walk you through the basics of everything you need to know to start using Scipio and getting your account set up. So, getting your InTouch integration set up so you can bring your contacts over and sync those daily, as well as getting messages sent, scheduled, campaigns going, all that good stuff. We do have customer contact support article, and that will give you all the information you need to know for how to reach us. So we have multiple channels, including email, text message, and we do have a Facebook community with our Mary Kay sales force that uses Scipio, as well as our Scipio team that we can offer tips, share any insights and help, and that you can also interact and celebrate your success with each other. So make sure to add yourself to that. We even do some fun giveaways every once in a while. Here's a glimpse into that. There is that link in that How to Contact Us article, or you can go to Facebook and just look up Scipio for Beauty Consultants and Directors and join us there. So make sure that you join that community for all the extra tips and being able to interact with us. And then also, we do have a video training playlist on YouTube specific to Mary Kay. You'll find the link to that as well. Lots of great articles here with step-by-steps and screenshots as well that can be really helpful. And then the campaign templates. If you want any additional campaign templates or if you want to download them in Spanish, you can go ahead and click on the campaign template you're interested in. Select import the campaign and it will drop it straight into your campaign library. So lots of great resources for you in that resource center. Make sure to make it your best friend and take advantage of it, as well as that message library. And like I mentioned before, make sure that when you're doing those campaigns, if you're using any of the templates, that you're double checking it to make sure the timing is what you want it to be and that all the customization portions are updated to match what you're needing to do. Okay, that's everything. Thanks so much for your time. We wish you all the best this holiday season and pink weekend. And we're really excited to hear about your success. So make sure to mention us at Scipio on your social media if you have something exciting to share, or post it on the Mary Kay Facebook community. We'd love to hear and celebrate that success with you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.